Hello. Welcome to stream. I've got about maybe 30-ish minutes until I have to go eat some food. So I decided I'm just gonna sit here and maybe model a little bit of scenery. Hi Finn, hey Ethan, hi Bence. Welcome to chat. It seems chat does not want to be linked up properly. Let's see if I can fix that while I'm here. I do not know why chat is not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Where do I need to go? Streamlabs, I think. Oh, this is always so confusing to me. Stream elements, here we are. Chatbot, stream elements, dashboard. I'm sorry, please give me a minute to figure out why chat is not showing the proper chat. It is currently showing the chat that is meant for Friday's stream. Session data. Not it. Session data. Restart session. Yes, reset my session. Hello, Gimbit. Settings, stream elements, that's the username, that's not what I want. Position, size, status, also not it. I haven't had to mess with chat in a while. So you're gonna have to give me a minute. Properties. I believe if I do this. Refresh. Oh, it's still not doing what I need it to do. I don't know what's going on. I may have to just cancel the preview. Live. View in live Reactions, pop out chat, not what I want. I think for now, I'm just going to have to delete this. I understand, delete this. Refresh it. Go back to what I was doing, refresh this. There it goes! I got it working! I would just have to reschedule that stream in my setup stuff after stream. It's nice to see you all in chat now. I'm glad I got that working. That was frustrating. Okay, so I'm going to start. I think what I want to start out with is a plane. Get some ground. I'm thinking some sort of fairground. So like a grassy kind of hill here. Maybe I'll have them sitting on some sort of like a crate or something, with one of those big like tents, circus tents in the back, kind of. I think that's what I'm gonna go with. Hey, Popstar. This will be the ground. And I want to subdivide it simply. And then I want to add a what's it called? Displace, I think. Yes. New texture. Go to the textures. I want it to be clouds. And it's soft. I'll go back to this. Those should be maybe 0.5. There we go. Turn down the strength immensely. There we go. Back to this. Turn up the scale a bit. Not sure what that does. There we go. The person there is just to help me, like with scale. So this would be like an accurate human scale reference. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. And then I'm going to do a crate. I want them to be sitting on a crate. This is going to need a bevel. Turned way down. Well, I can't individually. I'm gonna have to do it like this. Which is not ideal. If I go -1.5, nope. Why does that not work? Annoying. About, oh, okay, I see. So 0.4. Why, this is frustrating. 1.4. I'm not trying to, 1.4. The other way, 1.4 backwards. I guess I just gotta do it by hand. That is genuinely frustrating. Actually, wait, I could just do it this. DP selection. Delete only faces. And then thickness. No, I guess that's not it. Solidify. Alt-N. Calculate outside. This geometry is going to be messy for a minute. Then hit I, then hit I again. Oh, that is, thank you. Thank you. I and then I again. Wow, thank you. Yeah, that helps a lot. Like a lot. And 3, like this. There we go. Now I'm going to get rid of this and then shade auto smooth. I want to do the cross lines as well. Shade it flat for now, so I'm going to go 1, okay. That. Get rid of this bubble. What the? Why is what? No wonder something felt weird. What is going on? Why are you... This one simple crate is giving me more trouble than the endoskeleton did. There we go. That should be everything. Popstar, what I'm trying to design is kind of like a, I'm thinking like a fairground of sorts. So this will be more of like an outdoor kind of area with crates, lanterns, and I'm thinking some sort of like big circus tent in the background. Hey Miles, hello Marisol. Yeah, I know that one, Popstar. It was just I didn't want to try and scale it along those normals because you could see it was just kind of... It made it all bulge out in weird ways. But now the issue is these. So I think what I'm actually going to end up doing is KC all the way down. And then 1. Oh, Why did I get rid of that? I want this. Delete all vertices. Add a mirror. Make sure clipping is on and do that. Oh, that. Wait, now that I think about it, that doesn't work. That does not work. I'm just gonna have to go all the way back again. Stop myself from adding the triangles. There we go. Do like this instead. Shade auto smooth. Control I. Actually, Alt N. Make sure all of these are scale, rotation, and all of these. See what I mean? When I scale out the normals, it gets all weird like this. I wanted to try and avoid that, but unfortunately I cannot. So if I do it like that, and then honestly, maybe if I just take one of these, P, set origin to geometry, rotate this way, 45 this way, and then just scale it this way. It won't be centered, but cursor to selected, set origin to 3D cursor. If I do this, add a mirror modifier, but before anything, on Z, go clipping, cursor to selected, selection to cursor, and pull it out, change scale, push it back in a bit. Yeah, scaling without Alt was working as well, but it caused it to, like the weird area inside here, it caused it to stretch out that way. And I didn't want that, I wanted to just come straight out. Hey, Blueberry. Want to add a solidify before the bevel. Scale it out, and then bring this down a bit. That looks pretty good. So I'm gonna actually apply that to this. There we go. That feels better. And now I will bring back this so that it has that bit of an indent. Same with these. I'm going to separate these. Actually, why am I don't know why I'm doing it this way. P selection, this one. Hide this. Apply like this. I've thought about it. I got requests to do like tutorials for things like for like how to model a FNAF head. I do intend to make videos and tutorials like that eventually once I have a better mic, which may be a little while. But I am currently teaching two different friends of mine how to use Blender, like the basics of Blender, and on Friday will be the second tutorial of that. So I did apply. I don't apply the transforms just because I don't like to suddenly have to. It's just an excuse, but I don't like to have to redo the origin point on the models. So maybe I will try that the next time I do that. Gotta suck up my complaining. This one doesn't need that, so I can Alt-H. Oops, hide this again. I'll hide this. And now go through and do the same thing again. Well, then I guess you would like most of the content on my channel there, Blueberry, because most of it's just speed models. There we go. That should be a little better. Make sure all of those are good. Take this. Now let's try that bevel again. Bring back the cube. There we go, now I got that little indent going slightly. Need to duplicate this, do this. Actually, if I set origin to 3D cursor, Shift D, rotate 90, and instead there, do it that way. Scale it this way. Whoops, why is it? Rotate nope. 90, there we go, 90. Rotate this way, 90, instead make it Z. There we go. Yeah, that's what I thought was gonna happen. There we go. Nope. 1.3. There we go. Scale 1.3. Oops. Scale 1.3. I need to make sure I don't select Ruby. There we go. Alt-N, recalculate outside. Thank you, Marisol. Blueberry, I would have, but I'm not sure if it costs money for that game. And if it does, I can't. I'm very poor. All of this. Control P, object keep transform. And now I have a crate. Actually, let me look to see how much that game is. I have FNAF Help Wanted 2 for the VR, so I could play that. But the main issue with that is the headset on the Oculus I have causes my voice to go all robotic-y and sound like a lightsaber for like at complete random, and there's nothing I can do to change it or fix it. So yeah, Into the Pit, $19.99 on Steam. I'm not currently able to get that. Let's do this. I'm gonna grab Ruby. Give me your rigging, please. Just for the time being, I want to try and pose you slightly on this. Thank you, I'm glad you think that, Blueberry. I got a gnat in here. Really annoying to watch it fly across the screen. Oh, why do I have that one selected? That is not what I meant to select. Do this. The elbows are completely backwards. Alrighty. I'm thinking I might end up doing an animation with her using this scene, but I'm not entirely sure yet what it would be or how I would do it. Ooh, ew, wait, whoa. Don't do that. Hands got all squished. It was not what I wanted. Thanks, Marisol. I don't want to focus too hard on the pose right now, because I kind of just want to get the scene done currently, but it's good to always have like a good base plan as you go. So I'm just getting the rough pose done currently. Kind of tilt the head slightly. I turn off these relationship lines. Wrong thing. There we go. I'm going to object mode. I'm going to Alt P, clear and keep transformation. Alt P, clear and keep transformation. Move these off to the side. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking there, Popstar. I was thinking kind of like a, like the camera slowly pans in, and then, like, she's sitting there on the crate here. Maybe it's raining, and, she just, like, the lights in her eyes, like, light up, maybe, and she just, like, slowly looks at you. I'm not entirely sure, but I think that's my main plan currently, for the time being. I don't like the way that she's floating like this, but at the same time it kind of makes sense because of the clipping on the legs. Maybe what I should do is bring it down, rotate like this. So that the legs are properly balanced on said clipping. Kind of like that. Bring this forward a little bit. Some kind of pose like that, almost. Move the hands so that they are more up here. I keep forgetting that R and G are very different because when it comes to the jaw, I lock all motion except for rotation on the x-axis. So I just press G and it rotates. Like this. Kind of like that. I guess my inspiration is kind of a mix between the Fall Fest posters and the alleyway images of the scrap animatronics. If you guys know what I'm talking about. They are currently flying, Finn, but they will be on the ground eventually. I want... I'm going back to global. Kind of like that. And maybe I'd have the camera about here. Pose mode, object mode. For now, camera. Tool view, camera view. Maybe about there. Maybe slightly off to the side. Report display, pacifier. Back to pose mode. Rotate these slightly. Like that. Have the eyes closed. Kind of something like that. Welcome back, Blueberry. I want to make sure the floor isn't clipping through the, yeah. There we go. And now, for now, I will Control P this, keep transform, just so I can move this and them. Movie. I don't want to see your rigging. I can also turn off your endo for now. That will make that way better. Your eyes too. Make sure this kind of sits on the ground. There we go. And what way do you mean by that, Blueberry? Because the only other mic I would have is the one I'm using currently, and that's not very friendly when it comes to recording something like VR. Oof. Going to turn this ever so slightly, like that maybe. Here, put this kind of on the ground in front of it. Have it hopefully not floating. But I definitely want it to be visible. It's not really visible here, so maybe I will put it in front right here instead. pull it up out of the ground, rotate it so that it is back in the ground. Let's see. Pull it back out. This probably isn't going to be very visible unless I stick it up here, up on top. Oh, I left the bone behind. That's not what I, whoops. Back to solid. This robot would be a girl. Finn. Actually, turn this around this way. Ruby Rabbit. Let's see. There we go. But now it's extra not visible. This is not going very well. It's fine though. It's fine. It's not visible, but it's there. I think what I do next is some sort of lantern. I think that's what I'm going to do next. So Shift A, Mesh, Cube. Cursor should be World Origin. You should go back. Whoops, where am I creating new collections? What? Don't want that to be selectable. Control G? Nope. Alt G. There you go. Actually bring back the body so that I can scale it properly. Kind of like that. So origin to geometry. Cut this in half, both ways, so that I can mirror it both ways. Yeah, that didn't help. Do this, do that. I think. Whoops. Scale. Add a bevel. Times 3. Turn it way down. No, that's not gonna. I want a subdivision. That's what I want. Shade smooth. Yeah, I like that. I like that method of working too, Blueberry. When I do the original models, I always look at them and I think of the ways I can improve it. You know, that's my favorite part of modeling the original characters. way. Do it like that. For some reason, OBS seems to be having a problem connecting to YouTube. So if there's any like lag or whatever, it's because of that. It's not user error, I promise. I did nothing differently. Smooth these out. Nope, I want to smooth these out. Circle, circle. Circle. All of these need to be circles. I don't know why I didn't just start with a cylinder. Would have been a lot smarter. You know what? I need to pull up a... I gotta pull open a lantern reference. Lantern reference. Image. I didn't say shopping, I said image. Ooh, here's the real question. What kind of lantern should I use? I think we know Fazbear has issues with fire, so probably not something super safe. Looks like the most common would be like this one. That would be easy to make. Shift A, mesh, cylinder this time. Oh, dang it. Shift A, mesh, cylinder, 16. Scale it way down. Like this, bring this in. Like this, maybe. Whoops. And then another one here, Control B this, so that I can extrude it out. I want to flatten this slightly, and then I can grab these, pull this up, I do that, and then AM merge by distance. Yeah, there we go. Sheet auto smooth. I want the bevel modifier. 3. Turn it way down. Now shade smooth. Control B like this. Extrude it out. this. Bring this down, Control B, Control E, scale it out, scale it down, and recalculate. And then, let's see, the top part of that should only be slightly bigger than this. Delete these vertices. 3, Shift D, P. And then go like this, extrude it up slightly, Q to, let's bridge my edge loops, excuse me, delete P's faces, do that, bring this up, I'm gonna bring this up, I'm gonna save time, put in one. I know. Thank you, Blueberry. But I know how to do that one. That one I use all the time. I do it with modifiers as well. Finn, I believe you're asking if this will be a candle lantern. Yes, it will be. It will be a flame lantern. Bring this up, bring that up, bring it in, and flatten it off like that. Hey Ann, nice to see you again. Do like that. Actually pull this up a bit so that I can scale this out to about there, yeah. And then Control B, bring this back in, and then scale this out. Scale this out. It's all good, Anne. I'm glad you made it. How was your dentist trip? Got any cavities? Mesh. Let's see, another cylinder. 90. Scale this way down. Scale that more down. This, and set that, delete that. Hello. Bridge my edge loops, scale it, shade it smooth, subdivide it. Make that slightly bigger, slightly smaller. Oh, how come you're getting the tooth pulled? Is that what you got going on there? Shift D, rotate 90, delete these faces, delete these faces. Actually, get rid of the subdivision on that. You don't need 2 levels of subdivision. Okay. I need a UV sphere. Two divided by 2. That doesn't sound all that fun there, Anne. Shade this smooth. Control P. So it'd be delete these faces. And then put this down here. And then I want to scale it this way a bit. Welcome back, Finn. I just realized, because I read the chat as I'm going, because I have it up here on the side, so I can watch it in real time. Sometimes on the playback, you can actually, I'll be responding to your messages before the video chat ever sees it. I found that to be really funny earlier. There's that. I believe I can take this. I'm gonna go one here, delete this vertice, duplicate. Whoops. Whoops. Scale this out, bring it up, scale it out more. Scale that in. Actually, why would I do that manually when I have modifiers to do it? Whoops, that's not what I'm trying to spell. This is why we don't type and work at the same time. Bring this in, shade auto smooth. Actually, get that bevel modifier here. Shade it smooth now. I can turn that down. There we go. It's a pretty good looking lantern now. Way better than whatever I was trying to do before. I gotta make sure all of this gets moved into a new scene, scene 1. lantern. Oof. I want to add a curve. I want to, first of all, scale, set origin to geometry for all of these, because that was getting slightly annoying. And now add a curve, Bezier, 90, scale, scale. Rotate, 90. Kind of like that, I think. Like this. Rotate 90. That was not rotated. Rotate 90. What? That was, oh, it was rotated 90. Yeah, I'm smart. I'm smart. I do this often. I want this and this. Move them down, not that far. Add the mirror modifier, have it mirror this with clipping. Do that. And now I can geometry it. That a little bit better. Turn down the resolution. That one can go that far. Shade smooth. This way. Whoa, let's not select these. We don't want these to be selectable. Whoa, what happened? Wait, I didn't want to get rid of that. I wanted to get rid of that. Control P, object keep transform. No, wait, not the box. Goodness gracious. Everything right here. That's all I want. Control P, object. Nothing else is moving, right? Good. And to answer your question, let's see. I think the next one I'm going to do, I'm gonna actually go to a different fandom. I want to try and hit as many fandoms as I can before I start focusing completely on one. But I can do a sister location song one. I think next week's song selection will be, I'm thinking probably Poppy Playtime. I'm going to pull together a bunch of songs from Poppy Playtime. I also want to do songs from things like Cuphead. I want to do that one, as well as a bunch of other indie games and other games in general. I want to be able to have a wide variety for all sorts of people. Angel Crest, are you talking about, you want to see the model? Where'd Ruby's refs? Wait, what? Wait, it's in here. Duh. Here's Ruby. This is what we completed over the last couple of streams. This one, this one. I'm gonna shade this smooth just because it makes me kind of upset when it's all not smooth. So now I do this, and then I can rotate it with this. Item, location, rotation. C, V. There we go. I'm thinking this one will go on this side. Welcome back, Blueberry. I finished the lantern, and now I'm just setting it up. I'm thinking like that. Yeah. I'm gonna move it forward a little bit. Oop, twisting it really messed that up. Let's see. G, forward. I don't want it too close, but I don't want it too far. Plus it needs to be balanced somehow. I guess right where it was worked. Let's move it forward and to the side slightly so it's not on the edge. Let's see, what next do I need to do? I think I want to have some sort of fence going along the front here. It's just something you can just barely see, I think, on this side. And then I want like the tent to be in the back here, like as the background. I think maybe a tree. But the tree is going to have to be a model I pull from Blender Kit up here. Because there is no way I am modeling a tree. What time is it? Let's see. My goodness gracious! Why do I have so many notifications? Okay, sweet, there's that. 2 nights until PAX West. Hooray. Wisteria. Sonic jokes. And more of this. And then that I don't need to worry about. My phone is dying though, I need to plug that in. Can't have that die on me. This is the crate. I really did just start this without any sort of plan. Why am I getting emails from them? I'm not even in that class. That is annoying. Nope, this one. Excuse me. Mesh, I want a cube. And then for now, I will get rid of Ruby. We'll get rid of everything except for this. Lantern. The ground can be hidden. This can be hidden. You can be Alt-G'd. Yeah, 2 days until the party. Delete this. Mirror, clipping. Bring this back. Okay, this. I'm going to want a subdivision surface. I'm going to delete these faces. I did not do this. Oh, that's not right. Oh, goodness gracious, what is happening? This one, K. This one, Y. This one. This is not what I intended. Delete these faces. And we're talking about the PAX West. Steel is going to be over at PAX West this year again. I need to look up a reference of a circus tent. This is kind of the circus tent I'm thinking of. Maybe more so like this. So maybe I should start off with a cylinder instead. Alright, at center. Actually, if I just do this for now. I want the subdivision surface. I want to delete these faces and delete these faces. There you go. And now I will select, check or deselect, and then view. Nope, I want to select, check or deselect. Oh, nope, it's going to be the same thing. Alright. Actually, if I do this and then subdivide, how messy will that get? A little bit too messy. Let me get rid of this. I want all of these to be dissolved. This to be dissolved. This to be dissolved. And now, select, check or deselect, bring it down. Hold on one second. I go I'm not sure what that means there, Finn. This way, scale this out, scale this in. Bring that down. Actually, I should bring this down too. They're known to be tall, but not that tall. There we go, and now I can do this. I should have selected origin to 3D cursor. I can do this. And I can merge them ever so slightly. Somehow. Mirror this one, X and Y. Make it smaller. Delete these vertices. Go this side. Yes, it is a circus tent. At least it's supposed to be, anyways. This will be mirrored, X and Y. Make it clipping. And now Control J. And then somehow I need to connect these. Like this, kind of. Delete these faces. For now, I'm going to dissolve this edge and do that, which means how many are left? 1, 2, 3 maybe? 1, 2, 3. I have no idea what I'm doing. Now I will do this, and then I will correct it. I think delete only faces. One, two, dissolve. Kind of like that. Smooth these out. Scale. Alt N, recalculate. take this, kind of bring it up. It's not the greatest, but it's getting somewhere. This, control this, down to here, delete these faces, as well as this, to this, delete these faces. Hey Max, welcome. I'm currently making a circus tent as a part of a background for a scene. I'm trying to create a good background for my character that I made right here, named Ruby. So currently I have the crate, the ground, and a lantern. And I'm just currently working on a circus tent for the background. Kind of something like this. Night, sun, just so that we can see what's going on. This is what we have going currently. I will be taking a small break now for a couple of minutes. I have to go eat some food. So I will be back here in about 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be back in a little bit. And I'm back. I'm glad you think so, Max. I did enjoy my food, Popstar, and yeah, that was kind of the intention there, Max. It's a song from Pizzeria Simulator titled "Thank You for Your Patience." Lantern. I can hide that. Hide this. Make Ruby disappear. Excuse me. Everything else I can hide as well. Nope, these need to be deleted. Delete these faces. And then it should be merge these at last. Whoops, wrong one. Wait, what do I do? These two are a yes. That one's a yes. And then it should be one here, I think. Marriage at last. Here we go. I'm going to delete delete these faces. As well as these faces. Max, for this character, I designed her as if she was like the fun times existed back when Fazbear was first kind of starting out, but still has that advanced AI of sorts. She's one of those very kind, and she connects well with kids and whatnot. Is what she's designed to do. If you look at the blueprints for the sister location animatronics, they they each had their things. Circus Baby could make balloons and ice cream. Ballora was meant to misdirect and mislead. Funtime Freddy was meant to lure and capture, and I think Funtime Foxy was meant to lure. So in my backstory for this character is she was a normal animatronic built for entertainment, the only one meant for entertainment, and then William tampered with her a little bit and caused her to go a little haywire. So when she's around, if there's parents in the room, she's like their normal self. But the minute that there's only a certain number of kids, she becomes slightly more, I guess the word would be kind of manipulative of sorts. Would cause kids to go follow other characters or lead them to other rooms with just voice. So she would be staying on her stage the whole time, but she would tell the kids, your parents are waiting for you in the other room, and direct them like that. I could do that. I don't want to use anything Popstar that'll cause the computer to lag, because apparently YouTube already has an issue when it comes to my setup, I guess. little bit more like this. Oof, that's not exactly what I wanted. Ooh, excuse me. So what I'm going to do for now is just take these individual points, and currently I'm just smoothing them out. That's all I'm doing. Trying to get them to lay a little bit cleaner. Whoops. I turn off the subdivision here, and then which one is this? I think this one. So it needs to go up and in slightly, and then do that maybe. This, like this, and then like this. Luckily, the style I'm going for right now is like semi-realism. It's more of a stylized realism. I like realism, I really do. I'm not very good at it. And then this down to here. Whoops. Here, delete these faces, and then this one would be, I think, this one to that one. I believe I would be deleting those faces. Like that. Thank you, Popstar. Whoops. Whoops. Goodness gracious. There we go. One here. Merge at center. Like that. One. Turn off the clipping. I can pull this back, merge it at last. There we go. Now I got a tent going. And if I really wanted to, I can go through and I can manually add some of these wrinkles. Nothing too major. What I will add though is I want a displace modifier. I want to kind of like that. Just add a little bit of extra detail, but I want a different texture. I want this to be the tent texture. Tent, and then Musgrave. No, maybe the... No, I don't think a Veroni would be good. What about Magic? How would Magic look? That works pretty well, I think. Alright, Max. If you'd like to join the Discord, it's in the channel or in the channel description. When I finish this, I'll definitely post a picture of it. Enjoy your sleep. Kind of like that. And then pull it up a bit. Bring this up. I'm going to add a solidify modifier. Just so that it has that little bit of thickness. Actually going to turn this down a bit, duplicate it, put it after. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Select, add this to my favorites, checker deselect, pull it down, and then every other one, I'm going to bring back up. There we go. Scale that. Actually, maybe put the displacement after. Holy, let's not put the displacement after. Goodness. Let's change that texture. And clouds should be fine. Turn down the scale a bit. I think bring it down to there. I don't know what that does. That looks a little bit better. And then for this, mesh, I want a circle. Nope, wrong circle. I want the sphere. And this will be an 8x4. I think like that. I probably should have, let's see, cursor to selected, delete A, mesh, UV sphere, make this back to 16 by 8 because I don't like how it looked. And then bring it up a bit, scale it down. I don't like that. That, I think. And then I will mirror this on this to do it like that. What are we thinking about that? How's that for a circus tent? I just realized I completely forgot about the UVs. So yeah, that's gonna be fun to UV unwrap. Modeling. So now if I bring back the lantern, Alt H everything, bring back Ruby, Control P object, I'm going to take these, I'm going to Alt-P them. Instead, I'm going to Control-P, Object Key Transform. I'm going to scale this up a bit. Thank you. What should I call you? Should I just call you, maybe CX? What would you like me to call you? I'm glad you were able to pop in and watch this one. I don't do these all that as often, but lately I've been doing it pretty often. Let's see this. I want to scale this way and this way. Maybe I should why does it take me over here? Scale. I'm going to apply this mirror, then reapply scale, set origin to geometry, and now try that again. There we go. Now I'm going to take this, Control B it, so that I can delete it. Pull these off to the side. And the back. CXS is fine. Alright. I'll call you CXS. I'm not going to add any lighting back there for this. I am going to pull these up a bit, just so that they have more of that kind of curve to them. This appears to be floating in the camera, yeah. I forgot to Control P, Object Key Transform, and then these are not selectable. Let's see, Control P, Object Key Transform, turn off selectability, bring it down so that it is actually on the ground. Make sure that's on the ground as well. Whoops, wrong button. Wrong button again. I want this. I think next I want to do is maybe said tree. I think I want the tree on this side. I think before that though, why is there sphere? These should not be here. These should be in the tent. Thank you. Back my throat. Tent. I'm going to append some grass. Let's see. Go down to my other projects. The new banner I'm working on. Collection. That's the tree I'm probably gonna append here in a minute. The first things I want is these. Append this. Whoa! Holy. Whoops. That's a little big. Density 10, turn it way down. Oof. Oof. Goodness gracious. Now how do I... Where do I... How do I... So because it's geometry nodes. Geonode. 3 point, object info. Density factor. No, this isn't it. Density, minimum radius. Density factor. Rotation random. Scale min. Scale max. Not it. The seed is not what I want. Oof. Let's see, turn that way down maybe. Density back to 1 maybe. This isn't exactly what I wanted. I do want shrink wrap to this. Scale them in, turn that up. But why are they so far apart? Aha! There it is. I found it! Rotation random, scale min, scale max. 0.7. Turn this back, turn this down to about 0.1. Not 0.1, 0.01. Yeah. But what can I say? Blender will be Blender. There we go, got some greenery going. Maybe pull it off the ground by 1. There we go. That's a little bit better. Now, actually, I'm going to turn down my density to about 60. Duplicate this. Change the seed to be maybe 50. Density down to 40. And turn the scale to about 0.5 to 0.1 so that I get differences. Go to shading. I was about to say, isn't this the grass? So why do I not select the grass material? Okay, this base color value, kind of maybe lighten it up, darken it. Can't tell. Unless it's this one. Oh goodness. This might be it. Texture scale, blend invert. Grass generic set. Relay diffuse. Hue saturation value. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to do this one and lighten it. Right? Yeah. Hopefully, anyways. This doesn't look like it's doing anything. Let's grab the rest of it and hide it. It's not doing anything. Why is it not doing anything? Value back down to 1. The whole point of doing that was to get different shades, but alright. It's fine. I don't want to mess with that. Let's see, now this, I did change the scale. Alt H. Yeah, I did. So now, I think I'm going to add a dirt texture that I've made to this file. Append. That's not doing what I want it to do. Thank you. Collection, image, material. So my dirt is not in that. good to know. Actually, it might be best to just shading selection. And right now, I need to take this grass, turn it off. That way things can actually be seen. Scratches. Oh, I didn't add dirt to her? I could have sworn I did. Oh, well, I guess I forgot to add dirt to her. That's... Wow. Image, append... I need to go to... Let's go to my withered chica. I can pull the dirt from her. Let's pull it from withered yellow. For now, just do this. Give me this. Control J. Actually, Control G. So that I can copy it easily and then make this go back to the red-pink plastic. Oh wait, I do, it's right here. Wow, I'm smart. I'm very smart. Dirt. So actually, I just want this. Copy, tab, delete, paste. And now I can turn up my scale. About maybe 2.5. Whoops, don't want that. I want this. So now if I turn back on, this should not be in this. Go scene. This should definitely not be in here at all. And turn this back on. There we go. Thanks, Angel. So that, I think that's what I'm going to do for that. Take all of these and move them into a new collection here. Call it crate so that I can actually get rid of that when I want to. And now I'm going to add the tree from another file. Banner. Oops. New banner. New banner 1. I want to add an object. It should be this one, I think. There we go. That's a little big. I really want like a sense of scale. Alright, so beside this thing, well, if I compare it to the human I have, I should be able to get a pretty good, decent scale going. I'm glad you like it. Thank you. Which bunny are you talking about? Are you talking about the animatronic or the dancing one? Oof. There we go. That's a little bit better. I think kind of like that, maybe. And then, or should I put it on this side? I'll leave it right here for now, and then I'll change it if I should. Oh, yeah, I like Ruby too. Uh-oh. Blender has frozen for a second. It's gonna take it a second to load everything. Just give it a couple of minutes. It'll load eventually. I may have to restart it. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to. Yeah, I think I gotta restart it. Close the program. There it goes. Background. And I forgot that I have screencast keys. I could have been using this the whole time. Let it render out something here for a second, just so that it can actually figure out the kernels it needs. Ruby is glossy. I currently don't have the materials turned on, and it'll be a minute before I can. It's got to load all the materials it needs. Oops. Come on, Blender, you can do it. You weren't having any problems before I put in that tree. Ugh. I'm sorry, I don't know why it's being so slow. It's probably due to the render settings I have, but I'm not entirely sure which one is causing the problem. It'll sort itself out here in a couple minutes. Where do I make it? I use Blender. This is Blender. There it goes. Oh, actually, let me save as, go renders, test 01, and then I can close this down, and hopefully now, there it goes. It worked. It's a miracle. Whoops, wrong thing. I want this, 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 this. There we go. Currently, I am working on an animation with her. This is what this is. This is going to be hopefully an animation by the end. But she's a really new character. I just made her. I think I finished working on her 2 days ago. So. So currently, this is all there is. Make them not selectable. Not selectable, not selectable, not selectable. And then not selectable either. Cursor to world origin. Actually, let me to file. I'm gonna append a skybox. Append. Banner, new banner, new banner. Collections. Sky Dome. There we go. one goes shading. There are stars, but they're not very bright. Search for... maybe a 2. Change the clouds. I just want this to be... Oh, well, maybe more so like that. No, that's not what I meant. Get rid of that. A, B, with this as the factor again, right? No, that's not right. That should be this one as the factor. What is going on here? Get rid of all of this. This one. This is factor. This one is color A. This one is color B. Here we go. But if I turn this off... Okay, so search. What if I try color ramp here? Nope. Shift A. Color ramp. That makes that all brighter. That makes it all dimmer. Alright, so... Not what I meant to do. I want to dissolve these. Put this back into color. And I guess that's all I can really do. Clouds, stars. I think this is my night sky color. Yeah, it is. So make that a bit darker. Have the clouds follow suit. That's not the color of the clouds. This is the cloud. Nope, that changes everything there. So is this the color of the cloud? Looks like it is, so... But it doesn't do anything. Hey Reno. Hey Wheels. I'm glad it's helping you. Any animatronics too? Currently I'm just working on this with this animatronic, but I have made several animatronics in the past. I've done the ones that the public knows about are Withered Chica, Withered Bonnie, 2 other OCs of mine, and Into the Pit, Spring Bonnie, as well as the Yellow Rabbit from the FNAF movie, which I think I'm going to be remaking that one here soon. And then I want to take the sun. Give me the sun. Yeah, get rid of the sun completely. That works. Let's see. Change this to sky. Why can I only see the stars right there? There we go, and how about that? 0.5. And then expand this. There we go. Not exactly. There we go. Withered ignited ruby. I thought about it, but I'm not sure I'm gonna give this one a withered form. Not unless something comes up where it requires it, you know? You can go see them, Angel. They're video series on my channel where you can watch me model them. They're speed models. If I bring back Ruby's eyes, do they glow through the thing? They don't. Intriguing. I keep forgetting that is not selectable. Stop being selectable. Here we go. Now bring back the rigging. Pose mode. The eyes do glow. Yep. They glow pretty well. And those back off. I think something I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into my compositing. I want to turn this on. Not what I meant to do. View, fit backdrop. And then I want to file append. I want to use the same oh goodness gracious compositor that I use up here. Did I not use that compositor in this one? Color viz, duplicate, end vertex, mesh collision, normal inverter. Seed, simple UV, texture tree. I could have sworn I had that. Huh. What did I end up using then? Oh well. Not that one. But if I go to which one? Which one has that compositor used? What's the most recent picture I did? It would be Into the Pit. Into the Pit would have it. Yep, right here, this intro. Where's the compositor? Please, compositor. Collection, image, node tree. Here we are. Here we are, compositor. Shift A. Group, compositor. That's too much of everything. I do not want these. that. That does feel a little bit better. If I go back to shading now. I remember what I did now. Yeah, my OCs have names. This one is Ruby. I have Rosie as well on the channel, as well as Amy on the channel. I know, very basic names, but those two were very old. Those two are older OCs, so blame my younger self for them. I'm going to color management, use curves, and then this might get a little bit confusing, but I'm going to open up another blender so that I can copy the same settings for these curves that I have for that one. I want the banner, new banner, new banner. Hey Anna. I want to go here. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to turn this on, go here, and paste it. That. I need 4 of these. This one goes here and here. This one goes here and here. This one goes, whoops. This one goes here and here. This one goes here and here. There we go. No, I don't think I plan to remake them. The Amy I've already remade 3 times. The 3rd time is the one that I actually made the video of. So I definitely don't plan on remaking her. At least not anytime soon. And Rosie is still relatively new, and I made a shattered version of her, so I don't think I'm going to be remaking her either, because I am pretty happy with her design. I want to quickly go shading, go here. I need to make that selectable. Make sure that is neither visible nor visible, nor selectable. Lantern. Oh, there we go. That's why I can't select it. New, I want this to be lantern glow. For now, I will be changing that later. Shift A, search for an emission. My screencast keys got turned off. Oh no, they didn't. Why are they not visible? Huh. I don't know where my screencast keys went, but well, search for a black body, color into color, strength up to 5 for now, cool the color down just slightly. Yeah, I didn't think that was going to be nearly enough lighting. Might bring back the sun. Strength down to 0.01. Nope. 0.1. And rotate. That way. Actually, if I 180 so that it's no, yeah, keep it the other way. Thank you. And I don't plan on giving up on them. Not yet anyways. So there's that, and that tells me that I need a lot more sources of light. That's what that tells me. Go back to modeling. I don't want the tree to be selectable currently. I don't want that to be selectable. Actually, if I do this and then compositor on camera, there we go. That brings that back, and then oh, things are laggy though because of it. You can't currently see the grass, but that will change. And then disable that so that things can actually move. Any old art of my... No, I did draw a reference of her, like the day that I started. I was just bored sitting here, just watching some TV, and I decided, you know what, I'll just do some art because I was bored, and I came up with Ruby. It's basically just concept art of the casing itself, and then certain bits like the endoskeleton of the foot, endoskeleton of the hand. There's actually some art of what the eyes would look like slightly. If I turn off the casing, turn on the endo. I don't know why all of this is turned off like this. I didn't turn it off. Neck, hips, body joints, neck joints, music box, battery, thigh, arms, legs, arms, joints, feet, legs. There we go. Now we can mostly see the endo. Let me grab the sun. Let me turn on the sun again. Lights, the sun. Turn the sun back up to 1. Oh, that was useless. But I have art of the music box I drew, and I drew the battery pack as well. But that was it. That was all that I drew when it came to her. Turn back off the endo, turn back on the casing. I didn't even have a color concept for her when I started. Yeah, Popstar. It's a very good place to start. If you don't have a plan, then you definitely don't know where you're going. I currently don't have a picture on my computer of this stuff, but what do you mean? Are you saying, are there any more new characters coming up, and that you love the rabbit, or are you asking if there's new characters that I don't know if there's a typo there. I don't know. screenshot and art sometimes of the concept stuff. On the Discord server, I have released some art I did using the Into the Pit Spring Bonnie that's going up on the channel currently, if you'd like to go and see that. I also post like work in progress stuff of like what we're working on currently, so you can go over there and you can see those. I'm glad you love them. If you want to join the Discord, it's in the channel description. It should hopefully be in the stream description too, but I'm not sure if that worked or not. I'm going to make sure deselectable again. Scene, file, append. Oop, I just got discorded. It was very loud. Let me close that. Go here. I want to append a fence that I have in a different project. There we go, simple wooden fence. Holy Christ. Oh, let's go down. Type of 1. There we go. Bring back the guy. Don't want it too big, but don't want it too small. I think something like that should work. I'm glad it's there. Thank you for checking, Popstar. I'm glad you love her. I'll be streaming creation, like whenever I have an OC idea, I'll probably stream the creation of it. It's probably not going to be super often, but it won't be super rare either. I don't plan out these streams, they just happen spontaneously. I do have weekly uploads though. I start series and they go. I want to array modifier, and then I want to curve it. I need a path though for that. I need to curve along the NURBS path. I need to make the ground not selectable again. There we go. Now I need to decide which path I want this to take. I'm thinking probably something along these lines. I want this to start all the way over here and then do that. try and get these slightly more evened out. And then I also want it to not like that. I want it to do that. I want to be able to see it over there, but not over here. Dissolve that vertice, dissolve that vertice, dissolve that vertice. And then I'm just going to do that. And now I can't see it again. Here we go. There we go. The music playing in the background currently is actually the song from the sister location Circus Baby minigame. It's called Crushing Turtles. I like it too. It gets stuck in my head all the time after I stream. If I listen to it for at least like 6 seconds, I'll walk away humming it. I think it's, what did I say? Did I say stomping turtles, or is it, I think it's crushing turtles. I think I said crushing turtles, I'm not sure. I want to take this tree, I'm going to move it down into the ground a bit more. Now I need something on this side to fill up this empty space, but I don't want too much going on. Maybe get a couple hay bales going, like just sitting around maybe. I'm not sure. I think the best thing to do now would be maybe to texture the tent, which is probably not going to be great, but we're going to try. Go shading, scene, lantern, tent. Here we are. I'm going to append the fabric texture from my Into the Pit Spring Bonnie and change that. I want to append the material. We get the, let's see, get the yellow fur. I'm going to turn off the sky, and then I'm going to bring back the sun again just so I can see. Yellow fur. Change this to tent. Yeah, I figured the UVs were gonna be all messed up. Let's see, if I go P, selection by loose parts. There we go. Now I can go around this and then across this, and I should be able to Q, mark seam, U, unwrap. There we go. And now this needs to be way, way smaller. And I can get rid of this. displacement. But now, let me take all this, Control G, just so that I can condense this a bit. Scale. I'm going to unwrap this one as well, even though this is probably not a very good idea. But it's just to try and get those, yep, to match scale. And then I'm going to change the scale to be like 250. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. Any circus animatronics? Yes, Ruby is a trickster bunny. She's supposed to be kind of themed on like a jester of sorts. That's why she's half and half. I want this to be white. And this I can give a dirty metal texture. Actually, no, I want to give these the copper texture I have. There we go. Control link, the materials. Switch a wave texture. UV vector, XY. There we go. That works kind of. I'm going to 3L. Whoa. Whoops. I don't know what just happened, but that was not what I wanted. Control L. The selection. Don't do it like that. Yes, I want to UV unwrap again. There's not much I can really do with that. Q, mark seam. Nope, that's not what I wanted to know with this. UV unwrap. Nope, that's not helpful. Q, mark seam. 2. I want to clear this seam. Now I want to UV unwrap again. UV, how about smart? Wait, cancel UV. Smart UV, yeah. Island margin 0.01. Also not exactly what I was hoping for. Oh, this is becoming a nightmare. Maybe try splitting it here and here. Q mark seam 3. UV unwrap. It's a little bit better, but also not great. Ruby does not have a sister. No. UV editing. I'm going here. Why are things overlapping? UV UV, smart UV. Vision method, add angle limit. Not helpful. Why is it all overlapped? I want this to be connected only. What is this? That's there. I scale these this way. Can scale like this. And then what if I just do it like this? Take these, rotate them. Take these, rotate them. Yeah, I might have to do multiple textures, but I'm really trying to avoid it. This currently is just easier for me. I do have some art on Twitter, but Ruby's concept is not on there. I don't have any actual pictures of Ruby's concept. It's just in my sketchbook. Now if I do this, doesn't look like it really matters, but scale X this way, SX this way, SX this way, SX this way, and now rotate 90. There we go, that works. Now I want to color ramp this. Change it to be constant. And then change this to about 0.5. Have that white and then this red. Textures, please. Oh, it's because I didn't do that. Alright. There we go. It's not the best, but it's not bad. Ruby doesn't have a sister, and it's not supposed to be fuzzy. I think that works pretty well, though. If I were to turn my sun back down to 0.01, more of that bluish color. Back to 1. I can't select my crate. Is there a Circus Baby animatronic look-alike junior making of OC? What? That one I don't, blah, English. Oof. That one I can't fully understand. Is there a Circus Baby animatronic look-alike junior making it of OC? Do I have an OC that's supposed to be like Circus Baby? Or soft tent? It is kind of a soft tent. I don't think circuses were really... I don't think they really had soft tents, because they had to be up and moving. It was probably more like rough canvas. But we're not going for historical accuracy. That'd be too much work. Append some more materials. I want the wood texture that I put on the ball pit. Ball pit material, blue, brown, green material, monster, red fabric, rubber wall, yellow. Is it this? What is this yellow? Oh no, that's a ball. Append. Is it this one? No. Why? Where's the wood? Here we are, right here. Found it. Looking a little yellow though. Let's see. Needs just to be a little bit more brown. Control L, link these materials. This would be considered a Circus Baby OC, yeah. This is a fun time animatronic that I've made. keep it that way. Actually, I should probably do this if I want some accuracy. These should be different from the rest. P selection. And then can't really see those, so it's fine. These get separate. Whoa, English, not English, please. This one, thank you. And then rotate this to be 90. There we go. That's a bit better. This would be wooden floor 3, because I'm going to take a search for a hue saturation value, stick it here, and turn it up. And there we go, got that. To floor 3 though, change this to 4. I'm going to assign this to that and rotate it. I need to make sure I rotated this on the 90 as well. And then this would be rotate Z. Would it be Z? Would it be X? No, it'd be down here first. Yeah, there we go. ZB90. There we go. And now I've got that. No new animatronics in this, no. I need the lantern. I want you to be metal, dirty metal dark. Control L, link materials. You should be dirty metal light. Honestly, these should probably be that as well. Lantern glow. Now I'm going to file, append, want to go into this one, this one, this one, materials, this one, arcade screen cover, copy, lantern, about 0.9. Nope, 0.95. And then inside, I want to add a light. Shift A, light, point. Now I'm gonna go back to the sun, change the sun back to 0.1, grab this point, use nodes, select this, copy, place, color, strength to 30, and then turn my radius up. Maybe turn the strength back down to like 5. I don't want to be able to select that, don't want to be able to select that, don't want to select that, don't want to select that. Thinking kind of like that. Why is this floating? Why are these both floating? Huh? Create. Control P, object keep transform. There we go. I could have sworn these weren't floating before, but oh well. Turn back on the grass. Let me get a render to see what this looks like. Oh wait, I should probably turn on the endoskeleton before I render like that. Turn on the eyes and the endo. And now render. Why is the sky not visible? Thanks, Popstar. I will probably be ending stream here soon. I'm getting tired and I have some things I'm gonna have to do here in a bit. So I want to try and get to a good stopping point. Oof. Denoising, here it goes. Image, save as. Test 02. And now I can turn back off this grass because it's a nightmare on the frames. Turn these back off. And then compositing. And we can see the difference. So this is what the render came out as this time around, and then this is with the compositor I'm working with. I can already tell I gotta turn down this glare. Is it this one? No, that's the blur. Is it this one? That doesn't look to be it. If I change this to just be one or the other. There we go. So if that... This one M. Unmute that. And then... maybe change this to 0.2. There we go. But then I want to try and turn this down to maybe 0.5. Because this is really bright for some reason. 0.5. That's not doing anything. So turn that back to 1. Turn this back to 1. It's probably this size here I need to change. There we go. That looks way better. Yeah, that looks way better. Let me scroll this off to the side just so we can see this currently. I think what I need to do the next time is maybe add another tree behind here just to bulk up this density here. And then I might want to throw in a couple rocks, maybe a bush here. Probably a bush over on this side to help fill up this empty space. And then I need more lights, most likely something on the fence here. And I need some taller grass, so I'm probably going to change some of my grass settings so that they get taller. I think that's what the plan is for the next time. Grab the tree. Let me think. I want the leaf density here to be bigger. Nope, that's not it. This one. Geometry nodes. What is this? Just visualization. This isn't connected. Named attributes. These are not helpful. That's what these are. Okay, so that's not doing what I want it to do. Please join. So I think this is where I'm gonna leave it for now. I gotta think about what I'm gonna put back here so that it doesn't just look flat. I might add either some mountains or some trees back here just to kind of cover this all up. I need a denser tree with more leaves. I very quickly do this, turn back off the sky and this here, rotate it, maybe put it closer to the fence. I can actually put these together because trees are known to do that. Make it a little bit smaller like that. I don't like how close the tent is. Okay, so this, Control P, object keep transform. I want this to genuinely feel like it's in the distance. I mean, like I could do that by scaling it down. I don't want to do that. I want it to just genuinely be in the distance. Something big back here, kind of like that maybe. But really far away. Bring back the sky. Something kind of like that. Thanks, Angel. I am going to take these to the sky. All around the area here. That's what I'm going to do. And then maybe I could take all of these. And to help sell that look I'm trying to go for, scale these down. Over here doesn't matter, it's just this side that I need covered. Do it like this. And then I can grab all of these trees. And I can select object, transform, randomize transform, rotation, all the way up. Like that. And then I can change their scale, randomize scale. Right here, let's go 1.1. This one I go 1.03. 1.07 maybe. And that way, in the back here, now, even though it's pretty much invisible. There's a bunch of trees there, although I do still need to add some sort of hill because that is not great. Whoops, turn back off the sky. 2, extrude it that way. That way. This. Scale 3. UV unwrap. I need to turn up the strength. Turn back off. Nope, just turn off the endo completely. That smooths it out. Turn off the eyes. That, grab this, make this come up a little bit. Honestly, maybe do a little bit of this. Just tilt it a little bit. Then do that. These trees, I can do that for now. And then if I were to render this out again, oh, well now I have to hide this side. Oh, you can see I forgot the endo again. I think something else I'm gonna have to do is oh crap. What's it called? An HDRI. I'm gonna have to do an HDRI. Yeah. I do this, then duplicate, and put it this side. Like that, there we go. Now I get a slightly more textured ground. That works. And then I want the trees again. And I'm just gonna take a handful of these, turn them around, put them here. That way. something that looks a little bit like this. Let me turn this off. Don't like how dark that is. I think I am going to pull this out for the HDRIs and find night, free first. I think this one. There we go. Get that HDRI, makes it look quite a lot better. I don't like how it just cuts off there though still. Actually, why don't I grab this and turn off the sky again and give it a array modifier. This relative offset. Rotate it this way. Want to duplicate this to be this way, 1.2, and 0 this way. And then I want a, let's see if shrink wrap is good. Above surface. Nope. It is not what I wanted it to be. Let's see, change this to be much smaller, maybe 1.5. No, let's go 0.85. There we go, now let's do it this way as well, to be 0.85. So it just becomes like an unrecognizable thing. There we go. Wow. Is that better? Kind of. I mean... Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Whoops. I wanted to do this. Wait, what did I accidentally do? Add the array, and now if I... Oh, it's gonna be slow. see if I lose parts. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, this is gonna take in a minute. It might even crash Blender. Hey, Withered Freddy. You caught us as we wait for Blender to decide whether or not it's going to work or completely commit Sudoku. I don't think it's gonna work. I might have to, I gotta, yep, there it goes. Gotta quit the program. Gotta restart it. Bring back this one. Oh. There it goes. Oh, nope, there. It's, oh, right. There it goes. That was kind of scary. Let's see. That, unfortunately, I do think is the end of today's stream. It's getting pretty late for me, so I gotta turn this off and get going doing the, wow, bleh. I have no idea, Withered Freddy. I don't watch any of that. So, I've made it a point to stay away. I just realized that I don't know what was going on. Maybe I had the wrong mic going. I'm not sure. I don't watch any of that stuff, so I don't know. I would think so. So baggy. I'm not finished just yet, Popstar. I will be ending soon, but not yet. I'll stick around, talk with the chat for a little bit longer, and then head off. I want to get one last good render before I get going. Got to turn on the endo and the eyes again. Seems to be a common problem today's stream. Anybody who is new in chat or has been here a while and didn't hear me say it, if you'd like to join the Discord, you can. It is in the channel description, and it should hopefully be in the stream description as well. You'd always be welcome there. You can show off your art, talk about fandoms, and who knows, if you speak enough, maybe you'll be able to suggest the next thing I model. The next confirmed stream will be on Friday around 6 o'clock. I think it's EDT. So tune in for that. I will be teaching my friend how to use some Blender. It will be teaching him and another friend as well. This will be the second part of this series that I'm working on with him. He's back off. I want to turn this off. And turn off the trees too, because that's not fun. Go back to the compositing tab just so we can see what it looks like here. Hey Strawberry, you popped in right as we were about to end. I've been streaming for a while now, so I'm calling it now. Thank you. I'm sorry, Strawberry. It's 3 hours 50 minutes. 3 hours 51 minutes. Make sure you check in next time. I don't send out announcements about the streams or anything, but my Discord does send out announcements for me for them. So make sure you check the announcements every time there's a ping there for videos. I'm not mean. Okay, maybe a little bit. I am going to end stream now. If you enjoyed and you liked what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, watch more when more comes out. And it's nice to have you all here, and I hope you join me with the next one. If you'd like to join the Discord, it is in the description of this stream as well as the channel description. You can find my socials there as well. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you all next time. Catch you on the flip side.